guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. Thanks for joining me for this week's CVS deals video. As you all know, CVS is on 2 weeks ad now, and this is the second week since they started doing it. And the mystery offers reset, that's the $3 for the Maybelline and also the $3 for the L'Oreal. And we are getting 2 insert coupons this Sunday, one for Save and one for Smart Sauce. And both inserts will come in very handy to help finish up this week. I have some really good deals in this video, and I'll be sharing 3 options if you want to do the spend 30 get 10, and one of them will end up being free after the rebate. Let's get into this video. The first deal I have here will be on Colgate Total Toothpaste. They're on the deal of spend 10, get $4 back, and it's a limit of 2. Pick up 2 of the Colgate Total Plaque Toothpaste. At my store, it's priced at $11.49, but I know I've seen it for $10.99. So whatever your store is priced, adjust the math. But picking up 2 will total $22.98. When I scan this product on the app, we have 2 coupons that is attaching to it. One is a $5 off and another one is a 4 off 2 Colgate digital coupon. Both will double dip if you clipped it. And if you have a 3 off 18 Colgate CRT, add it to this deal, and that will drop it down to $10.98. You pay the $10.98 and get $8 back because you did this deal twice. That will end up making these 2 products just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $4 back on Bud Bees facial care or hand and body lotion, and this is a limit of 2. If you can still find these sheet marks, pick up 2. Some of them are priced at $3.19 each. Picking up 2 will total $6.38. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that is applying to this. That will drop it down to $4.38. Pay that and get $4 back, making both products 38 cents or 19 cents each. The next deal I have here is buy 2 Gillette or Venus disposable razors, the 3 count to 4 counts, and you get $3 back, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Gillette Sensor 3 4 counts. They're on sale for $6.99 each. These 2 items are going to total $13.98. Check your app because we have a $3 coupon, and also go to P&G website and print out a second one for the second item. I have a 2 off 9 Gillette shaving product CRT that will help drop it down to $5.98. Pay that and get $3 back, making both products $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal we have here is buy 2 get $5 back on Nivea body lotion, and this is a limit of 1. The good thing with this deal is last week we had a $1.50 coupon, but this week with the savings set, we have a 4 off 2 coupon. Pick up 2 of the 8.4 ounces. They are priced at $7.49 each, and the 2 of them are going to total $14.98. In 1/7 savings set, we have a 4 off 2 Nivea coupon, and if you have a 3 off 12 lotion CRT added to this deal, that will drop it down to $7.98. Pay that and get $5 back, making both products $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal I have is the spend 20 get $10 back, and Eucerin lotion is part of this deal. This is also a limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the Eucerin repair lotion, the 5 ounces, priced at $6.99, and the intensive repair lotion, also priced at $14.49. These 2 items are going to total $21.48. Check your app because we have a $3 digital coupon, and if you have a 3 off 12 lotion CRT added to this deal, that will drop it down to $15.48. Pay that and get $10 back. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick for a $3 back on the second item. That will end up making these 2 products just $2.48 or $1.24 each. Another way you can do this deal is by picking up 2 of the Eucerin repair cream priced at $11.79. These 2 items are going to total $23.58. Use the $3 Eucerin coupon we have in the app, and also use a 3 off 12 lotion CRT if you have it. It's going to drop it down to $17.58. Pay that and get $10 back. Submit your receipt to Shopmium for $3 back for the second item. That will end up making these two products just $4.58 or $2.29 each. The next deal I have is on L'Oreal Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy two get $6 back and it's a limit of one. Pick up two of the L'Oreal Paris Color Richie eyeshadow cause that's the cheapest you can find. It's priced at $6.99 each and the two of them are going to total $13.98. I have a $3 CRT. This is just the regular one and we received another $3 CRT today. The one we got last week expired already, but we have a new one. With these two CRTs, it's going to drop it down to $7.98. Pay that and get $6 back, making both items $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have is when you buy two any clearer hair color, you get $4 back and it's a limit of one. This went up a little bit from last time we did this. Picking up two is priced at $10.49 each and that would total $20.98. We all received a 5 off 2 Claro digital coupon that will drop it down to $15.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items $11.98 or $5.99 each. The next deal I have here is buy two Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner. You get $3 back. It's a limit of one and they also on sale for 2 for $8. Pick up two, mix or match however way you like. We received a 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis digital coupon. That will drop it down to $5. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items just $2 or $1 each. The next hair care deal is on Garnier Whole Blend. They're on sale for 2 for $8 and they're on the deal of buy two get $2 back. Pick up two and we also received a 3 off 2 Whole Blend digital coupon that will drop it down to $5. Pay that and get $2 back and that will make these two products $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal I have will be on Nivea body wash, 16.9 to 30 ounces. They're on the deal of buy two get $5 back and it's a limit of one. The cheapest will be the men's. It's priced at $6.79. Picking up two will total $13.58. In 1/7 savings set, we have a 3 off 2 Nivea coupon that will drop it down to $10.58. Pay that and get $5 back, making both products $5.58 or $2.79 each. The next deal will be on Boost products, the 6 packs. They're on the deal of buy 4 get $10 back and it's a limit of one. And they're also on sale for buy one get one half off. Picking up 4 of the ones priced at $11.99. 2 will be full price and the other 2 will be half off. That would total $35.98. In 1/7 savings set, we have a 6 off 2 Boost coupon. Use 2 of those and that will drop it down to $23.98. Pay that and get $10 back. That will end up making these 4 products $13.98 or $3.50 each. The next deal I have here will be on Glucena products. They're on the deal of buy 3 get $8 back and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the Glucena mini treats. It's priced at $7.29 each and the 3 of them are going to total $21.87. Use a $4 off Glucena digital coupon that we received on Sunday and use 2 of the $4 off Glucena coupon that we got from the 1/7 Smart Sauce. That is going to drop it down to $9.87. Pay that and get $8 back, making all 3 items $1.87 or 62 cents each. Select General Mills cereal on sale for $1.99. It's not giving back any extra care box. Pick up 1 of the Cheerios and also 1 of the Lucky Charms. Both are going to total $3.98. Check your app because we have 2 of the $1 off 2 coupon that is going to take it down to $1.98. Pay that, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy 2 and it's a limit of 1. That will end up making these 2 products 99 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I'm sharing will be the buy 2 Renew Life or Rainbow Light. You get $10 back and they're also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 of the Renew Life 3-day cleanse. They are priced at $9.29. The second one is going to be $4.65. These two items are going to total $13.94. Pay that because I don't have any coupon for this, and you cannot use a percentage of CRT for this deal. But if you have a 10 of 70, this would be a good deal to add to it. Pay the $13.94 and get $10 back, making both products $3.94 or $1.99 each. Next deal I have here will be on Degree Dry Spray. They are part of the buy 2 get $3 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Degree Men Dry Spray on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. That means one is going to be $7.79 and the second one is going to be $3.90. Both items are going to total $11.69. We received a 2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.69. Pay that and get $3 back. Check your fetch because I have a 1500 points back when I buy 2. And after the rebate, it's going to make these 2 products $5.19 or $2.60 each. The next deal I have here will be on the Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner. It's part of the buy 2 get $2 back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. It's priced at $4.29. The second one is going to be $2.15. And these 2 products are going to total $6.44. Check your app because we have a 75 cents digital coupon that will apply to one and drop it down to $5.69. Pay that and get $2 back. Submit your receipt to Shopmium for 75 cents for the second product, and after the rebate, these 2 products will end up costing just $2.94 or $1.47 each. Another easy deal this week will be on Arm & Hammer detergents, the 27.5 ounces to 50 ounces. They are not giving back any extra care box, but if you need them, they are on sale for $2 for $8. Pick up 2. Check your app because we got a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $5 for both or $2.50 each. I mentioned in the beginning of this video that I have 3 options for how to do spend 30 get $10 back, and I promise you they are very easy. The first option will be to pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $14.99, and we have a $3 digital coupon for this. And pick up one of the Gain on sale for $14.99, and we also have a $3 digital coupon for it. These 2 products are going to total $29.98. That's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. And after the 2 digital coupons come off, it's going to bring it down to $23.98. Pay that and get $10 back. That will end up making these 2 products $13.98 or $6.99 each. The next option is to pick up 2 of the Pantene Nutrient Blend. They're on sale for 2 for $16. And also add the Tide detergent on sale for $14.99. And these 3 products are going to total $30.99. I have these $2 off Pantene CRT, and I also have a 4 off 16 Pantene CRT. And for the Tide, we have a $3 Tide digital coupon. With the 2 CRTs and the coupon, it's going to drop it down to $21.99. I'll pay that and get $10 back. Check your Ibotta because we have a $2.50 for each Pantene. That will be a total of $5. And after the rebate, these 3 products are going to end up costing just $6.99 or $2.33 each. The third option is to pick up the smaller Downy Rinse and Refresh. They're on sale for $6.99. Pick up 2. And also pick up 2 of the Pantene Nutrient Blend on sale for 2 for $16. These 4 items are going to total $29.98. That's within the 98% rule to do the spend 30. Check your app because we have a $2 coupon for the Downy. And also using the $2 off Pantene CRT I showed earlier on and a 4 off 16 Pantene CRT, is going to drop it down to $21.98. I'll pay that and get $10 back. Check Ibotta because for the Pantene, like I mentioned earlier, is giving back a $2.50 and that will be a limit of 5. And for the Downy, is giving back $3.50 for each and that will be a limit of 2. After the rebate, these 4 products will end up being free. This concludes my video for today. If you made it this far, thanks for sticking around, and I'll talk to you all next time.